So the Cardano Chain upgrade is coming this Sunday, September 1st, guys. And in this video, we're going to break down exactly what's going on with all of this, why it's such a pivotal moment in time for Cardano. And we'll also take a look at what we can expect out of Cardano's price in this bull run. And I'm going to give you guys my realistic expectations here. Now, some people will say that I'm crazy. Other people will say that I'm fudding Cardano. It's just, I'm going to give you guys my baseline because I've heard predictions all across the board for Cardano. I mean, from it's a stable coin that it won't get back to $1 to even some people saying it could get to $20 or $25 within this bull cycle. Hint, my prediction is somewhere in between all of that craziness. But more importantly, I do think Cardano's really making some major moves right now with the Chang upgrade because Cardano has basically handed over 600 million in community governance. So what do we mean here? Well, let's start here, and I'm going to highlight some crucial things about this upgrade that, again, is coming on Sunday the 1st. By the way, happy Friday. The market's pretty choppy right now as we head into September, but I am feeling awesome about where we are with ADA, with everything. I just feel like we are at the perfect moment in time in crypto. It's kind of like that breaking point. We're getting ready for the markets to kind of unleash and start an altcoin season. I think with the election coming up, everything is kind of pointing to some really key moments and some big moments for us in this bull run. And guys, stay locked in right now. This is the time period where you make your money in crypto. I'm telling you guys, most of the gains are usually had in Q1 and Q4 of these cycles, and it is not the time to ignore your portfolio, ignore news and all of that. So make sure you guys smash the like button. Let me know that you're here. Drop your thoughts and comments where you think Cardano's going, what your goals are, what your ambitions are with ADA and your portfolio. I want to hear from you guys in the comment section, and obviously subscribe to the channel. So we mentioned that the Chang hard fork upgrade coming September 1st. This was kind of kicked down the road a little bit. It was supposed to come here late August, but the upgrade has the potential to redefine Cardano's position within the crypto space at large. So the key takeaway here, as we mentioned, over $600 million worth of ADA based on today's price will be placed entirely under community control, meaning Cardano is shifting focus and heading toward a world where it is completely decentralized, where it is completely run by the community. And this figure could balloon to 5 billion or even 10 billion as ADA's value increases here. So Cardano, often seen as a dark horse in the crypto world, has consistently held its ground among the top 10. Right now, I believe we're number 11, just outside the top 10. Toncoin and Tron have passed up Cardano here, sitting at number 10 and number 9. Tron meme coins obviously exploding lately. That is definitely helping their cause. And Ton bouncing back nicely. Obviously took a hit there for a little bit, but still looks really, really solid. Cardano is comfortably, $3+ billion ahead of Avalanche and about a $4 billion increase ahead of SHIB right now, and pretty much double the price of Chainlink. So we're still talking about a big market cap when we talk about Cardano. Now, the hard fork is not just from a technical standpoint an upgrade here, but it's a huge shift, okay? This development could attract way more developers, users, and investors, positioning it as a leading community-driven blockchain. So Cardano's current market performance shows some good trends too. We have seen Cardano's price remain pretty steady. The circulating supply stands at 35+ billion ADA coins with a max supply of 45 billion ADA. So that's a pretty good circulating supply there. The derivatives market paints a picture for Cardano as well that's pretty interesting. We have open interest rising here a little bit. Trading volume has dropped recently, but overall, guys, we know that Cardano can move pretty quickly, and altcoins in general can move pretty quickly. Now, when it comes to options, we've witnessed a big decline because Cardano is just not that volatile. This is more of a long-term hold, right? So I'm a big partner at Margex, and that's a leverage trading platform. I do not have a lot of people who sign up with Margex who trade Cardano, right? They're much more likely to trade Solana, Caspa, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. these cryptos are a little bit more volatile, and they're a little bit more easily tradable because they're, easy to kind of pinpoint support and resistance lines, whereas Cardano is more of just a long-term play. But when it goes up, like it did in 2021, it can go up in a hurry, and over time, it can break through resistance levels pretty quick because it's a household name. It's been around for a really long time, and people love to speculate on these layer ones outside of Ethereum, right? So Cardano's got a major upgrade coming. Now, where could Cardano go? This is a big question. Where do I think Cardano could go? As you guys can see, I got up before my alarm today. I don't know why I had an alarm set at 8. I guess I thought I was going to sleep in. That didn't happen. But Cardano at 35 cents right now. I want to pull something up here, and it is called the coin perspective. And if we pull this down and we take a look at Cardano and we give a price target of around $5, that would mean that Cardano would get to around $178 billion market cap. At $5 per ADA, that is a 13x, give or take here, from these current price levels. I could see this as a pretty solid target for Cardano in this bull cycle. Remember, our previous all-time high on Cardano is up over $3, $3.10. It was set back in September of 2021. Okay, we're 88% down from that, mark, from that milestone. But if we believe that much more capital is coming into the market, if we believe that we're going to get into a big altcoin season and Ethereum's going to pop and there's going to be a spillover from Ethereum into other competing layer ones like there was last cycle, I think giving Cardano a $5 price target is probably pretty fair, right? I think 5 to 7, somewhere in that range. If it gets to 6, you're looking at a 16x. If it does get to 7, you're almost looking at a 20x. But Cardano would have to be a $250 billion market cap if we get to that point. Now, if something outlandish happens, right, and let's just say Cardano gets to $10, that's a 27x, okay? If it gets to 15, 42x, we're talking about $500 billion with Cardano, right? Tons and tons of institutional demand would have to come into Cardano. All the development would have to just start piling into Cardano, right? Because right now there's just not enough liquidity, I think, in the markets so far, just because we're so early in crypto, to see Cardano, a $10 to $15 target. I could be wrong, and for my portfolio's sake, I hope I am, right? Because I'm a huge Cardano bull. I have a 100,000 ADA stacked. I've been public about that for a while. Been stacking Cardano for a really long time, especially at 25 cents in this last bear market. But I got to be real here, right? Like, I got to be realistic and say, high side 7 for me, mid target is like, 4 or 5. And again, over time, you're going to get diminishing returns. You can't just go up like crazy forever, especially when you become a much bigger market cap. There's going to be slowly but surely diminishing returns. But still, in bear markets, this is where you outline your positions. And this is why I'll be selling pretty much all of my altcoins at some point this cycle, right? So thank you so much.